Jeff, correct? You have two galleries out there, aerials, right, so far? One is the Sanilac County Dairy Farm, and the other one is the Thumb Stuff.
No, there's one aerial gallery. Aerial is all in one gallery.
So they had three.
And then Sanilac County Thumb Stuff, he was shoving it into the big one, but they decided to stop because it's getting too big. So he's going to create a new gallery that's just Tuscola County Africa.
So this aerial views of, so now the headline is correct then. Now I get it. Aerial views of tornado damage in Tuscola, Sanilac, and Saginaw counties. That was the headline that was showing up when you shared that dang Sanilac farm story.
That's the name of the gallery.
Yeah.
It's just those 10 specific ones that were running Sanilac. I did those first because they had a poster.
That's what screwed up the Facebook shares. You gotta be careful with that because that gallery went out. When anybody who shared that, I changed it on our page when I shared it because I noticed that. But anybody who shared that initial gallery with those dairy farm pictures on it, the headline said aerial views from Sanilac, Tuscola, and Saginaw counties. But it was not correct because it was just that farm.
He's been adding to it continuously.
But